video, we are going to learn how to calculate STYX number of boranes. Here S represents BHB bonds, T represents BBB bonds, and Y represents BB bonds, and X represents BH2 bonds. So to calculate S and X bonds, we need to subtract total number of borane from total number of hydrogen. Suppose we get a value A. Now divide this A value into two parts. Like here, let's take an example. A is 4. So divided this into two parts, 2 and 2. Now this value will be of S and this is of X. Now let's take another example. If A is odd number 5. So factorization is 3, 2. So the more value, the higher value will be of S and the lower one will be of X. So here S value is 3 and 2 is the value of X. So to calculate T, we need to subtract total number of borane from this number X. So next, to calculate this Y bonds, we need to add total number of borane plus total number of hydrogen divided by 2. Suppose we get an average value. So this average value comes out of this is the sum of STYX numbers. So if number of borane is 6, if the number of borane is 6 or more than 6, then the value A will be of only S, not X. Means we don't need to factorize it. The value of A will be of S value. Now let us take some examples. Here we take example of B10H14. So the total number of boron is 10. Now minus subtract it from total number of hydrogen, which is 14. We get 4. So here boron value is more than 6. So this value is only of S, not X. So this is the value of S. Now to calculate T value, we need to subtract total number of boron from this value S. So we get 6. This is the value of T. Now let's find out the value of Y. 10 plus 14 by 2, which is 24 by 2, is equals to 12. So this value is the sum of all these numbers. So 4 plus 6 plus Y plus 0 is equals to 12. So 10 plus Y is equals to 12. Now Y's value is equals to 2. Now let's take another example, B6H10. So in this, total number of borane is 6 minus total number of hydrogen is 10 is equals to 4. So here also the boron value is 6. So the value is, this value will be only of S, not X. So here X value will be 0. The total number, now find out the value of T. Total number of boron is 6 minus total number of number of S is 4 is equals to 2. So the value of T is 2. Now let's find out the value of Y, which is 6 plus 10 by 2. Total number of boron plus total number of hydrogen, divide them by 2 to get an average value, which is equals to 8. Now the sum of all these numbers is equals to 8. 4 plus 2 plus Y plus 0 is equals to 8. Now 6 plus Y is equals to 8 and Y's value we get is 2. I hope you all like this.